for viewing this preview. This is going to be a little bit long and a little detailed on this product. So let's jump in. So the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see some of the amazing fonts that I used. And then you are going to see, and that's going to be a really good reference. Let me just go back to that in case you're using any of the editable products. All right, here's going to be like your quick get started reference. So the first thing you're going to need to do is pick which layout is going to work best for you in your classroom. Then you kind of get to do the fun stuff. You get to decorate it with the picture tiles or icons for each group or center. You can add a timer or not. That is your choice. And of course, add your students' names. Of course, there's a little bit more detailed steps in that, so we're going to go through it, okay? Here it is written out for you, but since we're going through it together, we'll just do it that way. Here is kind of a preview, a sample, just to show you what it looks like when it's put together, timer or not, and then you've got your icons or groups. And these you get to change out, and you can change them out as you need to periodically, or you can keep them stationary, whichever. All right, the first thing you're going to need to do is pick what type of rotation do you need. Are you going to do a 2 rotations? Are you doing 3, 4, 5? And then how many groups do you need? Do you need 4 groups, 5, or 6? We're going to go middle of the road and just say we're going to do 5 when we're practicing here, and I'm showing you a little bit more detail. But before I do that, what I want to do is I want to jump down here to the editable slides where you can change this to say, it's not going to keep the colors unless you change each letter. So if you wanted to say Monday, you'd have to go in and do back out each letter. You could also, let me show you these boxes. Now you are not going to have this font unless you have this font downloaded. It will just come up with a standard font when you pull this PowerPoint up. This is also editable here. Okay, so let's just say you want this to say Monday. Instead of saying centers, you want it to say Monday rotation. You want it to say rotation 1 on Monday. Let's make that bigger. And let's say you want a different font. This is where you get to do all of the editing, okay? This is where you get to make the changes. All right, so with that, you have every slide that you need that has the different symbols. So for 4 groups, for 5 groups, and here it is, for 6 groups. Okay, all of them say rotation 5 because you're going to edit it. So I just left it all the same, but this changes, which is the pictures or not. So you have one of each of the pictures. So that's why I just kind of left it like that. And a little trick here, this is the best part. If you need additional rotations, let's say you rotate, let's say you need 6, you need 10, I don't know. You can right click. Let's go back to the one that we messed with. Once you get it the way you want it to look, you're going to right click and you're going to click duplicate. So all of your changes are good. Now you're not going to have this, you're going to have the same picture. So if you want a different picture, you're going to have to grab that one and make your changes. But what you can do is you can copy the text that you fixed, go over here, get rid of that one, and paste. I did it with a picture. Let's back. Okay, and paste it so that way you can, and you can move these two, by the way. All right, so there's a lot of customization that you can make for your classroom and your needs, okay? If you need further instruction on that, just let me know. I love making quick little tutorial videos. I just pop them on my YouTube. They're like so random. If you were to go to my YouTube, you would be like, oh my gosh, it's random. But really, it's just for my customers. I make a quick video. I send them the link and problem solved. So if you need additional help, let me know. We can do that. All right, here's the movable pieces. These are so awesome. And you just grab them and take them where you need them. So you'll just grab them, copy them, and paste them where you need them, okay? And you can adjust them as well. Let's say you want them small. Say you want them inside the box instead of outside the box like I have them. Whichever way works best for you. But this is the original. So we're gonna kind of get off of the original and build your own. But I wanted to go through some of the elements first. So here's more picture elements where you can edit what it says. And then here are your timers. All right, so first thing we need to do is decide on our slides. Are we gonna edit them, or are we gonna use some of the ones that are already pre-made for us? For all intents and purposes, let's go with these. So here's a little trick. You can do one at a time. You can right-click copy one at a time, or you can do my trick. You're gonna click on one, hold the control key, click on the other one. I'm still holding the control key. Click on the third one, click on the fourth one. I don't see the fifth one. I'm still holding the control key. I'm going to click on the fifth one. Let go of the control key. Right click, copy. Okay? If that is too difficult, you're simply just going to click on each individual one and right click and copy one at a time. But you got to do one, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So you're going to go up to File, New. So that was your original document that you downloaded from me. Let's make your own custom one that you're going to save probably on your desktop that you can just pop up every single day and use for your centers, and that's your custom one. And if you need to make changes to it, then you'll just pop mine up and grab things that you need to change, like centers and stuff like that. All right, so you're going to right click and you're going to hit this little guy right here, not this paste. You're going to hit this middle paste right here, and voila, there they are. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to hit the delete button. So here we go. Now, here is your editable names. Now, we need to customize this, okay? We need our headers for our stations. So let's go back to our other PowerPoint and let's see here. Go down to our stations, our icons. Let's see. I definitely need a teacher one. I think I'm going to do guided reading. So I need a teacher one. Let me see if I need any of these other pink ones right now. Okay, let's do a guided reading. Copy. Go back to my PowerPoint. And I'm going to hit paste. Now it's a little bit big because it's sized for the 4 group. So that means I'm just going to size it down just a little bit. Now I'm going to have a guided reading every single day. One group will come to me every day. So I'm going to go to the next slide and I'm going to click paste. Well, let me go back. I sized it and then I hit copy again. All right, so I went to this one and hit paste, and then I went to this one and hit, wrong paste. This one and hit paste. Went to the next one and hit paste, and went to the final one and hit paste, okay? You will do that for each one, okay? And some people have, go to 1 rotation a day. Some people go to all 5 rotations a day. So you're going to have to figure out what works best for you. So for instance, if you go to 5 rotations a day and you need to insert, let's say you need this to say Monday. Let's just, oh, here's a quick trick. Let me show you what I just did. Let's bump that font. To get these colors, I'm going to go to fonts right here. I'm going to go to the eyedrop and I'm going to hover over these and I'm going to get this this color, okay? So that's how we get that color. All right, let's pick a font. So I'm going to say this is Mondays, okay? I'm going to copy that, Control C. Where was I at? Oh, I was on the bottom one. I'm going to hit Control V, paste, Control V, Control V, Control V, okay? That's the same thing as clicking paste. It's just a little faster. All right. So now I go to 5 rotations on Monday. This is just hypothetical. Okay, let's see. Now I need a Tuesday, obviously. So I'm hitting Control and I'm clicking through all of those while I'm holding Control down. Let go of Control and copy. Now this is my version that I'm working on, and we're gonna click paste. Okay, now I want to go through and when I change all this to say Tuesday, and I'm going to change this color. Let's get the dropple. And I'm going to change Tuesday to be Control C. And so now I'm going to change all these Mondays. I'm going to click it. I'm going to hit delete. And then I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. Delete, Control V. So you see what I'm doing here. I'm customizing this to work best for me. Okay, and I'll go through and do that for each one. Now, if I was you, I would wait until you get all of these up there before you start copying and pasting. That way you don't have to redo all those. So thinking of that, let's go back to the other one. Let's grab my other centers. So I have a library. So I'm going to grab a library. What else do I need? Yes, I need a library. I also need trick words. So I'm going to grab copy. I'll jump over here. Click paste. So these kiddos are going to go to the library. And these kiddos are going to go to my trick word station. All right, let's go back. See what else. Yes, I do a tablet station, so I'm going to do that. And let me see what else. And I do have a writing center, so that's going to be mine. Okay. All right, and then you have the rest of these. Don't forget all those. All right, let's see here. Paste. I'm going to show you another trick. If you already did all of this like we did, I'm going to show you another trick here to put all of these. We just adjust these to fit. There we go. All right, again, we're going to do that. Use that control key. We're going to click on it, control, hold that control key down and click on each one. And we're going to right click and we're going to click copy. Then I'm going to delete that. Then we're going to roll through. See there? Control V, Control V, Control V. Look at how beautiful this is looking. Oh my gosh, love it. So we'll just roll through all of these. Ah, I just love it. All right, so I love using timers. Some people don't. That's great. So we're going to roll over here. We're going to get us a timer. My centers are 12 minutes, so I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click copy, and I'm going to jump over here, and I'm going to click paste. I left you a little blank spot right here. Perfect for a timer if you wanted to use it. So that's where my timer is going to live. And I'll just roll through, Control V, copy that, Control V. And we'll do that for every single slide. Again, get these all set up. It's looking so good. I absolutely love it. Okay, now remember, you don't have to do this part. So, it's totally up to you. I just wanted to show you how to customize it real fast. All right, I want to go back over to the original because I do want to pop in at one of these. And let's just say you need to edit one of these and you need it to say, let's see, my brain's not working. Let's just say we're just going to say read, okay? So this is the only tricky part with these, is you're going to click on the word, and did you see how it was kind of dot, dot, dot? That means it's ready to type. So click on the line of the box, okay? Then hit your control key and click on the picture behind it. Let go of your control key, right click, copy, okay? Now you can go back over to your original, I'm going back up to the top, and I'm going to click paste, okay? So now I have got that custom one that I made ready to rock and roll, all right? Now, let's say you change something throughout the week and you need a cheat sheet. Put in a blank. Do you see that? It went up to new, blank, threw me in a blank one. Come over here, pick your favorite ones that you are going to need to use and change throughout the week or something, if that just happens to be something you do. Click and paste, and there they are. They're right there for you on your personal PowerPoint that you can easily click and grab them, okay? All right, let me go back, make sure I think I've touched on everything. The timers do use the internet. They are attached to YouTube. So if you do need an additional timer, all you have to do, let me show you that really quick, is you're going to go off onto YouTube and literally just search whatever time it is. Let's say you need 13 minutes instead of 12. So I have 3, 5, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Let's say you need 13 minutes, okay? You're going to say 13-minute timer, and you're going to scroll down until you find one that you like. Some of them have awesome noise, music. Some of them have really cool, pretty backgrounds. Whatever you like, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to go to the top and you're going to right click and copy the URL, the web address, okay? And then you're going to come back to your PowerPoint and you're going to click video and you're going to say from an online video, and you're going to paste it right here. Click insert and it will show up right there for you, and you can just resize it. So that's what you do if you need a different timer. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I hope that this helps. I hope that it is customizable enough to your needs. If not, goodness gracious, please let me know. I am here. I would love to add. If you need some different icons, let me know. Email me, message me. I'll try my best to get those added in a timely manner. So just let me know. And I hope that you enjoy this resource because I'm truly obsessed. Bye, guys.